My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am Sanjida Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a science class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is creative question 1 and 2 from chapter 2. Here is the science class topic chapter 2, creative question number 1 and 2, homework number 7. Creative question 2C, term half yearly exam, class number 7, homework number 7. My name is Sanjida Rahman and this is my contact number. Now let's go to creative question number 1. In the creative question number 1, there is the two picture of the fish. One is shrimp and another is hilsa fish, and the question is A. What are invertebrates? B. Why is toad called amphibia? Explain. C. Write down the differences between the animals shown in figure A and figure B. Number D. Discuss the importance of animal in figure B. You have to discuss this. Now we go to the answer. Number A. What are invertebrates? Answer is the animals which do not have vertebral columns are called invertebrates. That means the animals which have no vertebrate, they are called invertebrates. You know that in our previous classes we learned that animals are two kinds, invertebrate animals and vertebrate animals. Number B. Why is toad called amphibia? Explain. Answer. Toad is called amphibia because they spend some parts of their life in water and some on the land. They do not have any hair, scales or feather on integuments. Integuments means outer part of body. They have two pair of legs. There is no nail on their phalanges. Phalanges means the finger of their foot. At the primary stage of their life cycle, the tadpole respires by gill, and at the adult stage, they respire by lungs like us. Number C. Write down the differences between the animals shown in figure A and figure B. You see that here is the figure of a shrimp and here is the number B, figure number B, there is a figure of hilsa fish. These two fishes are very known to us, and there are differences between the organism in figure A is invertebrate animal and figure B is vertebrate animals, because in the shrimp there is no bone. Inside of this fish there is no bone, and in this fish, hilsa fish, we found bones in the middle of their body and other parts of their body. Differences between the invertebrate and vertebrate animals are given below. Figure number A and figure number B. Vertebral column is absent. In figure number A, vertebral column is absent, but in figure number B, vertebral column is present. Number 2, they have no skeleton, and figure number B, they have skeleton. If you eat hilsa fish, you found that inside of their body there is a long skeleton, bone, we call it skeleton. They have complex eyes and they do not have complex eyes, their eyes is simple. Their eyes, more than one eyes make a complex eyes, and when only one eyes make a simple eye. They have antennas like this. They have antennas. This is called antenna, but hilsa fish don't have any antenna. Figure number A, difference number 5. Figure number A has no tail. It has no tail. Their body has no tail and their body has no skeleton, but their body has a very well-known tail. This is the tail of hilsa fish, and the figure number B has a tail. Question number D. Discuss the importance of animal in figure B. You have to discuss the importance of figure number B. Answer is animal is In figure number B is fish. All fishes belong to group named Pisces. They live in water. Most of them have scales. Example, hillshark, rui, koi, etc. However, some of them have no scales. For example, magu, sheen, tengra, boal, etc. They use gills for respiration. They also have fins which they use to swim. This is the fin of the fish. This is the fin of the fish, and if you take this cover part up, you will find here gill. Fish is a source of protein. Some sea fishes carries a good number of minerals and vitamin A and vitamin D. Some fishes are the source of iodine. Fish provides such nutrition and micronutrients that are essential to cognitive and physical development, especially in children, and are an important part of healthy diet. Nowadays, fish provides more than 1 billion poor people with most of their daily animal protein, and fish is very important for us because it is a well-known source of protein. We found vitamin A and vitamin D from the fish, and also it make our bones strong because in some fishes there is also calcium. If we eat fish bones, we can get calcium from the fish also. Now we discuss creative question number 2. Now we will read the question number 2. Creative question number 2. There is a picture, one picture of a tree, and this is very well known tree, coconut tree, and in the figure number B there is also another tree, figure of tree, and it is a banyan tree. Question number A. What are flowering plants? B. Write down the characteristic of A. Number C. Write down the differences between A and B. D. Write down the importance of A in your life. Number A. There are some plants that bear flowers and fruits. They are called flowering plants. And the plants which have no flower, we call it non-flowering plants. Answer B. Write down the two characteristics of A. In the stem as shown by the figure A is a monocot plant. Two of its characteristics are given below. Stem is unbranched, leaves with parallel venation. You see, in this picture, the stem of this tree is unbranched. There is no branch. It's don't have any branch, and its leaves are parallel venation. And this stem is branched. Okay, monocot means the plants which have only one seed in its seed coat, and dicot means the plants which have two parts of seeds or two seeds in its seed coat. Number C. Write down the differences between A and B. Differences between A and B are given below. Number A, monocot, and B, dicot. Here you see the differences. Monocot tree, this is monocot tree and this is dicot tree. Stem is unbranched. Its stem is unbranched, but in the figure number B, stem is branched. Leaves with parallel venation. Their leaves are parallel. Leaves with reticulate venation. Their leaves are different. They are surrounding of the tree. All surrounding in the tree. Number 3. Flowers trimerous. Flowers pentamerous. That means they have only 3 petals in their flower, and they have 5 petals in their flower. Pollen with single pore. Pollen with 3 pores. Their pollen have only single pore. Number 5. Secondary growth absent, and in dicot plant secondary growth often present. And you have to ask me, what is secondary growth? Secondary growth means when the stem, normally tree grows in the upper level, but when the trees grow in the wide level, they are growth in wide, they are called secondary growth. In the stem figure number 1 is secondary growth is absent, but in figure number B secondary growth is present. You see here its stem is big and its stem is very thin. Now we will give question answer D. Write down the importance of A in your life. In the stem as indicated by the figure A is a coconut tree. Some of its importance is given below. It is a green fruit which contains juicy endosperm. It is delicious and nutritious. Shampoo and several cosmetics are produced from coconut well. Coconut well used for hair growth. Its endosperm is used in making different types of delicious food. Coconut juice is very popular in summer. The stem and leaves of this tree is used as a fuel. The leaves of this tree are used as the shades of heart. The skin of coconut fruit is also used in making ropes, mattress and other furnitures. Coconut leaves are used for making brooms, which is used to clean houses. This fruit is used for making sweets. Coconut and coconut milk are both used as a garnish in several traditional dishes. You know that coconut is a very popular food in our country. We take its water and its endosperm as a sweet, as a for making our delicious dishes and other things. And in this question we will discuss about this. My dear students, I hope you will understand our today's class. You will abide by the guidance of your parents, and today's homework is creative question number 2C. I hope you will abide by your parents. Keep well and stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.